The consistency is off on line 3. I'm making the adjustment now. Looks good.
The consistency looks good, slightly thicker than the last batch.
Yeah.
Noted. The viscosity is within acceptable parameters.
The rotation speed seems a little low, increasing it by 5 RPM. The batter consistency looks good. Once the ingredients are added, the massive stainless steel blades begin their work, mixing the product under high-temperature steam. Once the ingredients are added, the massive stainless steel blades begin their work, mixing the product under high-temperature steam.
Make sure the syrup levels are consistent at station 3.
Already checked, Chief. Everything is running smoothly.
The chromatography results are stable. We are within the acceptable range. Good. Let's move to the next batch.
The diagnostic shows a minor fluctuation in the servo speed here. I see it. Let me run a quick alignment check on the arm.
The temperature is stable at 95. Okay, I'm closing the valve slightly. The flow rate seems a little low over here.
Okay.
Let me adjust the paddle speed slightly.
Flow rate stabilizing at 20 liters per minute. Confirmed. Pressure holding steady.
Check the temperature on line 3. It's spiking again.
I see it. Adjusting the heat flow now.
The indicator is blinking green. Is the mixture stable?
Yes, system status is optimal. We are cleared for the next phase.
Color looks good on this batch.
Okay.
Yes, the texture is perfect. Approved.
Check the flow rate against these figures.
Looks consistent. We are maintaining optimal output.
We need to adjust the alignment here based on the schematic.
Yes, the calibration seems slightly off on the main arm.
Set that one down right there. Make sure it's secure before you pull back. The consistency looks a little thin on line 3.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.